Hi fellow crafters, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Terri from nutsaboutsstamping.com. The new annual catalog is now live. So today, let's create a beautiful card idea that's super simple to create using one of the new products inside. Shall we get started? I want to introduce you to the Layers of Beauty bundle. This bundle has 3 parts. It's got the stamp set, and then it's got the corresponding dies, which is a typical Stampin' Up! Bundle. But then this bundle also has a set of 5 decorative masks. So these all together are considered the Layers of Beauty bundle. Now for today's card, we're only going to use the stamp set. And if you want to see how to use all of the products combined, come on back to my YouTube channel at some point, as I will be crafting up a storm using all of them soon. I've decided for my card I'm going to use one of the new in colors as well. This is called Summer Splash, and it is by far my favorite in color, although I do like all of them, I have to say. So I've got the large stamp mounted on a clear block, and I'm going to ink it up using Summer Splash. So I'm doing a tone-on-tone effect. And because this stamp is really large, I'm going to ink it face up instead of trying to do it the normal way. And then what I want to do is turn this over, and I want to angle it a little bit, and then just press it down onto the Summer Splash cardstock. And isn't that pretty? Now what I want to do is I want to layer it onto some basic black cardstock, and I'll adhere them together using my multi-purpose liquid glue. And my card base, yep, it's Summer Splash. And now what I'm going to do is layer this together using, again, my multi-purpose liquid glue. Now what I want to do is create a phrase for the front of my card, and I've got a narrow strip of Summer Splash, and I've got this phrase that says, "You make my heart smile." And I'm going to ink it up and stamp it down using Tuxedo Black ink. Now what I want to do is layer this onto a strip of basic black. Can you kind of sense a pattern that's happening here? And I'll adhere these together using my multi-purpose liquid glue. And then to finish off my card, I have some of these in color shimmer gems, and I'll add a few of them, and then I'll show you what it looks like as the final product. And there we go. My card is done, and it was so quick and easy to make, but very eye-catching as well. If you would like a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurements for the layers, I will link to my blog article in the description box under this video. You can link over there and you can get all the information you need, including the product ordering numbers, in case you want to order the Layers of Beauty bundle so that you can play with it at home too. I'm Terri. I am Nuts About Stamping. I'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.